Education is germane to all aspects of life, but people struggle to learn due to their location, poor internet connectivity, and expensive fees. We are happy to introduce ICAN Online Tutors, the most advanced and innovative learning management system that helps students acquire the knowledge, skills, and experience needed to succeed in their careers and workplaces. With ICAN Online Tutors, students can learn from courses in various fields, anywhere and anytime. Log in to the ICAN Online Tutors platform to discover a wide selection of courses tailored to your needs. Browse through categories or utilize the search bar to find specific courses. You can search courses based on your specific requirements by adjusting the filter on the left sidebar. For example, search from categories, price tag, level, language, and the rating system. Upon selecting a course, you can purchase it at an affordable price or opt for a free course on the platform. Each course on ICAN Online Tutors adheres to high educational standards and employs modern teaching techniques. The course page provides comprehensive visibility into all topic videos and tracks your progress throughout the course. Some courses have live and recorded question and answer based revision classes, and students can also perform practice questions to enhance their learning experience. Additionally, students can join our live sessions with instructors, and if they miss a live session, they will have access to the recordings. Our quiz section allows you to practice what you have learned, and successful completion of quizzes earns students recognition certificates, which are shareable on social media or included in resumes. ICAN Online Tutors learning management system is accessible on various devices including computers, tablets, and mobile phones, via our web app and mobile apps available on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Mobile users benefit from advanced features allowing them to download course videos for offline viewing, eliminating concerns about expensive data usage and unstable internet connections. Experience seamless communication via the message section, ensuring swift and efficient interaction among administrators, learners, and instructors. ICAN Online Tutors provides students with networking opportunities with ICAN Online Tutors alumni, providing access to mentorship, internships, and job opportunities. We provide intensive tuition using methods like video lectures, audio lectures, live online classes, and group chat lectures, enabling our students to get the best out of every course. Join ICAN Online Tutors today, and let us help you build a successful career for a better life.